A bakery sold 120 cookies in the morning. To answer questions like this, you have to take the statements one after the other. So now let's start. 120. A bakery sold 120 cookies in the morning. So we write 120. In the afternoon, they sold 1/3 of that number. So 1/3 of 120, that means 120 divided by 3. So in the afternoon, they sold. If they sold, that means the number they had in the morning reduced by 1/3. That is, it will be minus. It reduced by 120 divided by 3. That is what that means. In the afternoon, they sold 1/3 of that number. So what they had in the morning, subtract, it reduced by 120 over 3. Then they baked 24 new cookies. That means the number they have left now increased by 24. They baked 24 more. Then they sold half of the newly baked ones. So that means they sold means minus, because it will reduce half of the newly baked ones. That is 24 over 2. That is half of 2. They sold half of 24 rather. So now we can solve further. So this becomes 120 minus 1/3 of 120 becomes 40, then plus 24, and then minus 24 over 2, that gives 12. Then we solve from left to right. Whenever you're solving questions like this, division and multiplication are on the same hierarchy. Whenever they appear together, you solve from left to right. Same rule applies to addition and subtraction. So that means we say 120 minus 40. This gives 80. Then we are left with 80 plus 24 minus 12. Now we say 80 plus 24. This gives 104. And then minus 12. 104 minus 12 gives 92. So that means the bakery have 92 cookies left by the end of the day. At the end of the day, they had 92 cookies left. So that is how to change word problem into expression or equation and then solving further.